What's going on, guys? Today is July 27th, 2021. We are doing our fifth box of 2020-2021 Clearly Donruss basketball. One box break. We're going to be rolling the die to do the random and pair everyone up. We're only re-rolling if we get snake eyes, and if there's multiple players on a card, we will re-roll between the players on the card. So let's roll to see how many times we got to randomize the lists. We've got 4 and 4, so we're going to roll the lists, randomize the list 8 times. So let's take you over here. Here's everybody that joined. Ray R, Shane L, Dean B2, Matthew S, Michael P3, Irvin H, James W. Got that copied 2 more times. Copied and pasted 2 more times. Ray R, Shane L, Dean B2, Matthew S, Michael P3, Irvin H, James W. Ray R, Shane L, Dean B2, Matthew S, Michael P3, Irvin H, and James W. So we're going to copy and paste all these names into random.org. Randomize the list 8 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. Irvin H on top, Dean B on bottom. We're going to do the same thing for the teams. Randomize the list 8 times. Hawks on top, Wizards on bottom, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. Trailblazers on top and the Thunder on bottom. And we're going to sort it. Dean B has the Celtics, Nets, Wizards, Cavaliers, Raptors, and Thunder. Irvin H has the Trailblazers, Clippers, and Heat. James W has the Nuggets, Grizzlies, and Bulls. Matthew S has the Hornets, Timberwolves, and Pacers. Michael P has the 76ers, Pelicans, Jazz, Knicks, Suns, Magic, Lakers, Pistons, and Rockets. Ray R has the Kings, Spurs, and Mavs. And Shane L has the Bucks, Hawks, and Warriors. So I'm going to give you guys about a minute to make trades if you would like. Otherwise, we're just going to get started on the break. You're going to be getting yourself a box of Select basketball?
Yes, I'll have a case of blasters.
You mean a case of Hobby?
No, the slightest. If I got a case of Hobby, that stuff has to be listed within an hour. The base is going to
Yeah.
base is going to be the cheapest stuff like ever. They're going to make about the same as they did for Select.
Oh, no, please don't.
They are.
Oh, boy. I mean, it's fun stuff to open, but
Oh, it's going to be fun, but it's going to get boring after a while.
yeah.
How about a month in when you're stills? I mean, it'll be fun to chase the elephant prints.
Oh, true. I forgot they're doing that. 15 seconds, then we'll get started. Do you see that Brock Lesnar is going to be a UFC
And
Select?
yes, I saw the tie-dye picture.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to cop some of his stuff. Brock Lesnar is a UFC fighter.
What do you think of his WWE stuff? He looks the exact same.
No, not the same.
It's the exact same. He wears the exact same thing.
No. Different logos.
The logos are the same, I'm pretty sure. He still wears the Jimmy John stuff. He still rocks the Jimmy John shorts.
All right, let's get started. 5th box of this stuff. Let's try to maybe pull one of the retro rookies. Case hit. By the way, is there like a certain amount of autos you can get per case?
I think it's I don't think it's consistent. Like there's like a set number. But there
Okay.
definitely is. There's a bunch of cases between the sparkles and the mosaics.
Because we pulled 2 autos in our last 2 boxes.
Pretty sure that's Zion, LaMelo, and Luka cards in this too.
Interesting. Can we get that in this?
That would be nice.
It looks really nice too.
Oh, it's clean.
Empty. Good luck to everyone. All right. John Wall. Nikola Vucevic. Rudy Gobert base gold, not numbered. We got a Nathan Knight rated rookie. And a Peyton Pritchard rated rookie. Julius Randle, Tyler Hero. Ooh. Now, very unfortunate that there's like a scratch or a print line down the middle. 34 of 99, Anthony Edwards. Yeah, I don't.
Clearly, football came out
Very clean.
So I thought they would do the same thing.
That is nasty card. Josh Green and RJ Hampton base. Well, congrats to whoever had the Timberwolves. Matthew S. Dude, wait, Matthew had the Hornets and the Timberwolves. Okay. Some mean teams right there, man. Sheesh. Chris Middleton, Nikola Jokic, Obi Toppin purple, Paul Reed and Zeke Naji. Obi Toppin purple, Paul Reed and Zeke Naji, like I said. Final pack, we should be getting our insert here. Zion Williamson, base. RJ Barrett, base. Ooh, nice. That's a sweet one. My House, LeBron James. Good box. Very good box. Moses Brown and a Facundo Campazzo base rated rookie. Well, that is going to do it for this box of Clearly Donruss. Thank you to everyone who joined. Congrats to everyone who hit. Pretty nasty cards, honestly. LeBron, My House, the Anthony Edwards out of 99. Appreciate you guys for joining, though. Like I said, congrats to everyone who hit. Hopefully you guys go ahead and try to join any of our other breaks. We have Chronicles draft picks still. We have Museum Collection, Luminance. All of those are in the store. Once again, thanks again for joining, guys. Appreciate you.